So I'm making this video to give you a reference for whole recipe. This is tamarind. This goes in boiled water. Then you have to boil this water, and once that's done, once you see that this gooey part got dissolved, and then mash it, switch off the stove. And next step, strain this whole thing. I do not let anything go waste, so I press this pulp as well, so the remaining tamarind water will also come down. You know, the pani puri water that we bought from that store, we can also use it with this drink. So I added some lemon juice, that powder, and added intense bubble water, the soda water, and the drink was ready. So you can try this as well in between, or maybe during your Christmas dinner. This is something called jaggery, which we forgot to buy for you. So you are going to add sugar water instead. Now it's time to add some chili powder, some black salt. Now you'll ask me how much? 1 teaspoon is fine. I just taste after adding and mixing it. I just taste again, and so salt, sugar, everything goes as per this taste. Is cumin powder. Although I have roasted it and grinded it, but you already have a pack that we bought for you, right? So you can add 1 tablespoon of this thing. What's this? Cumin powder. Yeah. Now it's time to make the green one. So I'm grinding coriander with green chili. You might not have green chili, then you can add pinch of red chili powder. And this water that you see in the black vessel, this I made from the pani puri masala that we bought from market. And now I'm adding the mix of coriander, fresh coriander. You can blend just coriander as well. Now I'm doing my favorite part, that's frying pani puris, which we were going to do together, but for some reasons we couldn't do it. Anyways, I will tell you here a few tips. So you are heating the oil in pan. Once it's like heated up for like to the temperature where you fry the fryams, just that much is enough. Also, if it gets like too hot, turn down the stove, but it stays too hot, then as well, then switch off the flame. Also, when you fry them, do not add 4 at a time. The possibility is that is not a good number for this pan. As you can see, I could not give enough time to all the 4 at a time. You will notice what I'm doing is I am pouring that hot oil really swiftly, like you should not burn yourself. You can see I am pouring hot oil over these two. So best is to fry 2 pani puris at a time, because you cannot handle all the 4. We are not professionals. So see, look at those. This is not something you want. This is not something you want. You want more like fluffy, I mean the full size pani puris. So see, this batch that I did like two at a time, so I could pour oil over it too. Yeah, and then automatically they get flipped. You will also notice this, they are automatically getting like on the other side of the pani puri is facing oil automatically. But if it doesn't occur, do not keep the other side unfried. You can see that I'm also putting some oil over it. I am dripping the oil over them, and yeah. So I wish you all the best in this step. You can also call me in case you need a direct supervision of Surbhi for pani puri. But it is going to be so much fun for you and auntie as well. If you could keep your motivation up and high so far, then I think we are moving towards the end step of pani puri, which is not pani puri itself. It is making that potato stuffing that you know about it. Shuna, this thing is not cutting, man.
Is it properly cooked?
Huh. So you would have heard Ravi asking, is it properly cooked? So yeah, potato should be properly boiled. So it was boiled, but it was like cold because it was in fridge. So I think I was not able to do it. So you can take help of any of your brothers or your father or your mother, or I know you don't need any help, you can do it by yourself. I cannot do it, so like I took help from Ravi. Then we cut actually these onion pieces, and then we added those and some salt. Don't ask me how much salt, really, I don't know how much salt, I don't know the measurements. I can only add like as per the taste, I can say. So you add a little bit and taste it. If it's fine for you, it's enough. Then I added peanuts. So I'm so sure that you have peanuts at home. So instead of adding the chana, which we generally use it with it, yeah, chana and what else, the green peas. So I added peanuts and then some chili powder. You know, chili powder goes in everything in this recipe, especially in our home. Then mix it well, and I think it is ready to go. Oh no, cumin powder. We also added cumin powder. Then I think keep mixing it. Once it's a nice mix, it's ready to go on the table. And this is something which I made in the, yeah, forget about this. This is not pani puri, okay? These are simply fries. This is cumin powder. Make the tip of the glass or mouth of the glass little wet.
There is no space left.
My most favorite pani green water. Little sweet, and this is something you like, Jewel. This goes as well. Fennel seeds powder. This is something extra I made for myself. You don't have to make this. Game start. Ne? Yeah, I'll offer you one. Oops.
Why? Why that glass?
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
So this was the quick recipe of pani puri. It was not so quick, although I know it is going to take time for you as well. So in this clip, you can see how they can add water to pani puri. I mean, making holes. You know how to do it. I know. So this is like all full. This glass is so cool for this, no? Water in glasses, and then they
really
can
full,
pour water
see?
in their pani puri and make it really full, and then let them. Tell me which flavor is it? Let's record their first expressions, their facial expressions.
It's hot.
So we put these as well with some filling. I've added some peanuts also. And then it goes in the mouth of your loved ones. Nice, no? Liked it?
Yeah. Awesome, yeah. Hard.
Amazing. Nice Christmas. Christmas and food should happen every day, no? Thank you. Amazing? Yeah, I'll try.